Hi there, I'm Sheri Van Dijk, social worker, psychotherapist, and expert in providing DBT-informed treatment to clients struggling with emotion dysregulation. I've been working in the mental health field since the early 2000s, working with clients aged 16 and older, and I've been using DBT in my practice since then. I've written numerous books to help clients learn these skills, and I've trained thousands of clinicians across the globe in using a DBT-informed approach in their practice. I'm here to tell you about a workshop series that I'll be teaching for leading edge seminars in April of 2024, and I hope that you'll join me. In the first webinar in the series, which will be running on April 4th, I'll be providing an introduction to dialectical behavior therapy. The next day on April 5th, I'll be teaching the second webinar in the series in which I'll provide an introduction to mindfulness, which is a foundational skill in DBT. If you plan to teach mindfulness to clients, it's important, of course, that you not only have a good understanding of it, but that you have some kind of mindfulness practice of your own. In this third part of the webinar series, which is the core mindfulness skills, I'll be teaching the DBT, kind of the DBT way of teaching mindfulness. These skills will include a set of skills known as the states of mind, or 3 different thinking styles that we all have. This is a great set of skills that helps clients learn to access the internal wisdom that we all have. There are 2 other sets of skills that I'll be teaching in this webinar. The first set of skills is known as the what skills, what to do in order to be mindful. And the other set of skills are called the how skills, how to do the what skills in order to be mindful. In the 4th webinar in the workshop series, I will be introducing you to some of the DBT emotion regulation skills. So this is another module of skills in DBT. There are a lot of skills in the emotion regulation module. We'll be starting with helping clients to understand emotions and learning to name emotions accurately, and I'll walk you through some steps to help clients do that. We'll then address how to help clients increase pleasure in their lives through building positive experiences on a regular basis. And we'll be looking also at some specific skills to help clients manage emotions more effectively. This webinar in the webinar series, this will be our interpersonal effectiveness skills that we'll be looking at. So this is number 5 in a series of 6 webinars that I'm doing. This interpersonal effectiveness is another module of skills that we teach in dialectical behavior therapy. So in this webinar, we'll look at skills to help clients be more effective in interpersonal situations. So that might involve, of course, close personal relationships that our clients have, but this would also involve any situation in which the individual has to interact with someone else. This can be a real challenge for people who have emotion dysregulation difficulties. In this final webinar in the workshop series, we'll be looking at the distress tolerance skills module of DBT. This module contains 2 sets of skills. The first is the crisis survival skills. So these are the skills that help our clients get through a crisis situation without making things worse, without turning to suicidal or self-harming behaviors or substance use or going to sleep or lashing out to alleviate their distress and so on. The second set of skills in this module are the reality acceptance skills. And I think of these as the more advanced kind of distress tolerance skills that do need more practice and kind of take longer to become effective for clients usually. But these are the skills that we want our clients to turn to that over time will help reduce the amount that they actually need to turn to the crisis survival skills. I hope that you'll join me, and I'd invite you to share this link with your colleagues. I hope to see you at the webinar series, and I thank you for your time.